Awesome stay. I found Triple Resort to be absolutely perfect, easy to find, close to everything I needed, relaxing, private, quiet and very, very comfortable. It was perfect. Recommend. The room is clean and has a good size. And it is very convenient for the travelers who travel with family as the connected area between two rooms. With all we got and price, recommended. Exceptional. No. Convenience facilities at Triple Resort, a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Triple Resort in Ratchaburi, Thailand, offers a wide range of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With a laundry service available on site, guests can easily freshen up their clothes and maintain their impeccable appearance throughout their stay. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, staying connected is essential. That's why Triple Resort provides complimentary Wi-Fi in all rooms and public areas, allowing guests to effortlessly stay in touch with loved ones or catch up on work.